Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Euro Yen, I still think we're heading up all the way to about the 165 area, right at the 100% Fibonacci extension. To me, it still looks like we're in a 1-2 and a big wave 3. I definitely don't even see any proof that the wave 3 is over yet, so I'm definitely still thinking that I want to be looking primarily for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame is where you can start to see this uptrend right here. I think this is a 1, this is a 2. This is all just subdivisions of a big wave 3. We don't have any break of structure down. We don't really have any fib bounce. I don't really see any reason at all that think this uptrend is over. And I do think there's a very good potential that it will end up continuing back up. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this first move down is an A. This is like 3 ways up for a B. This is a downtrend for the C. I think this is the end of an ABC crescent right here. If this is the end of an ABC crescent, then this will end up continuing the uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows, telling me that the trades that I definitely want to primarily be looking for is longs at the end of pullbacks on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is the end of a crescent. I still believe this is a big uptrend right here, like a 1. I was actually wondering if this right here was actually like an A and this move up was a B, and that it was actually maybe potentially going to go down again. So definitely keep that in mind. That definitely is a possibility, especially looking at the JPY basket. But it is very corrective to the downside. It did make a nice end of a crescent, it looks like, and it very easily, maybe even more likely, will end up continuing up here. So if I do see a Fibonacci bounce, especially on the shorter time frames, I definitely will take that as another long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I only have my Fibonacci measuring this last wave right here because this move down could be a crescent to just this last wave. So if it does like bounce out to 78%, if it does make an impulsive move up and break structure, I would definitely take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Now on the other hand, if it does continue down and if it does take out that structure, that's what's going to tell me that it's a wave B, and at that point I would definitely be looking for shorts because that means this over here is probably an A. That means this is probably a C, and that means it's probably going to make a nice downtrend before it really does end up continuing up. So we really just got to pay attention to our Fibonacci retracement levels, see if we get a big bounce and a break of structure. If we do, I'm going to go long. If we don't, and we break this structure, then I'll stop looking for longs and I'll start looking for shorts again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.